The shaft is a stick-like structure that connects both the upper and lower ends. It follows 3 by 3 rule, which is 3 borders, interior, posterior and introitious, IPI, and 3 surfaces, medial, lateral and posterior, which we say MLP. If we take the cross-section of fibula, it is a triangular bone just like tibia and humerus. So it is easy to study surfaces and borders by relating this triangle with the cross-section of tibia. 3 corners of triangles indicate 3 borders, and between the borders there are 3 surfaces. Medial surface is between the anterior and medial border, lateral between anterior and posterior border, and posterior surface between posterior and medial borders. Now if you look at the bone, this is a medial surface attaching to an introitious membrane. The upper 2/3 of this surface is very narrow, almost 1 millimeter or less. It gives attachment to extensor digitorum longus, extensor hallucis longus, and the peroneus tertius. Lateral surface can be seen with anterior view of the fibula. At its lower part, it's pushed backwards. The peroneus longus muscle and peroneus brevis attach here. From the lateral surface, the common peroneal nerve terminates in relation to the neck of the fibula. The posterior surface can be seen with the posterior view. The posterior surface is the largest of the 3 surfaces and is present between the introitious and posterior borders, and at its upper 2/3 it gets divided into 2 parts by a ridge which is vertical and is called the medial crest. Soleus and flexor hallucis longus muscle attaches here. Coming to borders. The posterior border is rounded and its upper end forms a line with the styloid process. At the back of the lateral malleolus, there is a continuous border with the medial margin of the groove. The anterior border starts just below the head's anterior surface. The border is long enough so at its lower end, it encloses a long triangular area which is extended within the lateral surface of the lateral malleolus. The middle border, which we also call the introitious border, lies medially to the anterior border of the fibula, so at its upper 2/3 it's very hard to differentiate between the both borders. The medial border discontinues below the upper end of a roughened area above the talar facet of the lateral malleolus.